Today, we solve the problem of the probability. Number 1. This is 1992 AMC 8, problem 13. 5 test scores have a mean of 90, a median of 91, and a mode of 94. The sum of the two lowest test score is. We know the mean, that's the average. The mean is the 90, so that's the total. 5 score, the sum of the 5 score will be the 450. And also the median is the 91, so 5 score like this. The median, that's the middle number. 5 middle number is the third one, that's the 91. And also a mode is the 94. The mode is greater than 91. We only have the 4 position for the, we only have the 2 position for the 94. That's the mode. They ask the sum of the 2 lowest score. So we use the 450 minus 94 times 2 minus 91. So the answer is the 171. The answer is the B. The arithmetic mean of 4 number is 85. The largest of this number is 97. Then the mean of the remaining 3 number is, so the mean of the 3 number is the 85. That means the sum is the 85 times 4 minus the largest number, that's the 97. That's the sum of the remaining 3 number. For the average, we divided by number of number. That's 3. So the answer is the 243 over 3. That's the 81. The answer is the A. Number 3. A gumball machine contains 9 red, 7 white, and 8 blue gumballs. The least number of gumballs a person must buy to be sure of getting 4 gumballs of the same color is. When we do the problem, we are thinking that's not the lucky the choice. What's that? The not lucky the one. That's the machine gave the 3 red and the 3 white and the 3 blue. Now they buy the 9 still not be sure is the gumballs of the same color is the 4. It's the 4 gumballs of the same color. We already bought 9. We bought the 9, but we get the 3, the red, 3 blue, 3 white. So when we buy one more, now we can get any color, whatever this one is the red, white, or the blue, we can be sure that's the 4 the gumballs is the same color. So that's the answer is the C, 10. Number 4. This is 1995 AMC 8, problem 20. Diana and Apollo each roll a standard die obtaining a number that at random from 1 to 6. What is the probability that Diana's number is larger than Apollo's number? We know probability, we use the expected events over all events. So all events to the roll the dice is the 6 times 6. Each die has the 6 the possible number. So that's why 2 we have the 36 possible the choice. And what's the expected? Expected, that's the Diana must be the number must be greater than Apollo. So if Diana rolled the 1, so no number match the greater than the Anna. If the Diana rolls the 2, the Apollo number can be 1. 2, 1 is expected greater than Apollo's number. If the Diana is the 3, the Apollo will be 1 and 2. That's the satisfy the greater than Apollo. If the Diana's number is the 4, Apollo can be the 1, 2, 3. If the Diana number is the 5, Apollo's number can be the 1, 2, 3, 4. If Diana is the 6, the Apollo can be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the all. So the total events, that's the 4 and the 5 and the 5 and the 5, 15. So cancel 3, that's the 5. Cancel 3, this is the 2. 5 over 12. So the answer is the B. Number 5. This is 1996 AMC 8 problem 25. A point is chosen at random from which a circular region. What is the probability that the point is closer to the center of the region than it is to the boundary of the region? So we have the circle. Same the center, we have another circle. So they ask if they have the same center. If the larger circle, the radius is the 2, then smaller circle radius will be 1. They ask the point closer to the center. That means that's the area of the shaded. I'm shaded this the circle. In the smaller circle, what's the probability of the point in the smaller circle? Now the smaller circle area is the pi r square. That's the pi. And all the circle, the large circle area is the pi r square. That's the pi to the 2 square. That's the 4 pi. And the probability is expected pi, smaller area, over total. That's the 4 pi. We cancel the pi. That's the 1 over 4. So the answer is the A. Number 6. This is 1998 AMC 8 problem 19. Tamika selects 2 different numbers at random from a set A9, 10 and adds them. Carol takes 2 different numbers at random from a set 3, 5, 6 and the multiple of them. What is the probability that Tamika's result is greater than Carol's result? First, we should know, so from 3 number, choose the 2. That's the 3 times 2 over 2 factorial. That's the 3. So each the group has the 3 result. Let me see what's the result of that. We put this here. So the set of the 8, 9, 10, and then a set of the 3, 5, 6. Now, for the 3 set, we can use the 8 plus 9, that's the 17. 8 plus 10, that's the 18. And 9 plus 10, that's the 19. We have the 3 possible outcome. The next group, 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 5 times 6, that's the 30. So we have the two groups, the possible answer. So all possible pair, that's the 3. First group has the 3 outcome. Second has the 3 outcome. Total has the 9 outcome. So what's the possible answer? That's the greater than the 1. So if this is the 17, this is the 15, that's definitely greater than the second. If the 18, only the possible is the 15, 18 not work. If this is the 19, 13 not work, but 15 and 18, it works. So total expected, that means the sum greater than the product. We have total outcome is the 4. So the answer is the 9/4A. Problem 7. This is the 2002 AMC 10A problem 21. The mean, median, unique mode, and range of collection of 8 integers are all equal to 8. The largest integer that can be an element in this collection. Because they have the 8 number, so we put the 8 space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The median is the 8. Median, that's the number is the even 8. So that's the average of middle 2. So I put the 8. Because the median is the 8 and the mode is the 8. For the mode is the 8, we try to as many as the 8 as we can. And the range is the 8. We have the biggest number. If the 15 is the largest number, the smallest will be the 7, because range equals largest number minus smallest number. If this is the 7, that means this 2 can be only the 7. So 8, so 15. So we have the 68, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 6, 8 will be the 48 plus 15. That's the 63 plus 7. That's the 70. But they say mean is the 8. So 8 number, 8 times 8, that's the 64. So that means last number cannot be 15. So we put the last number 14. The first number will be the 6. So last is the 14, first is the 16, the range is the 8. So we use the 6, 6. So 3 times 6, that's the 18. 4 times 8, that's the 32, plus last number 14. Total is the 64. So the answer is the D, 14. We only can put the 14 as large as possible.